Hey everybody, Nate Lee here, and I've got a real quick tip for you today, and it has to do with being able to reach with your fourth finger. And it's a really simple tip. If you're having trouble reaching with your pinky, make sure that your index finger is not down. So we all learned in the beginning to stack our fingers. So you put down your first finger, then you leave it there, put down your second, leave it there, put down the third, and so on. The trouble is, if your first finger is down, it's really hard for your pinky to get into its spot. Everything is really constrained and tense. So what you can do is unlock that first finger by just letting go. And most of the time you really don't need to stack your fingers. There are times when you might need to do that. And it's a good habit to be able to do, but not necessarily what you want to do all the time. So unlock that first finger, and now your hand can rally around your pinky. And you're able to play in a comfortable position when you're playing stuff. So that's what to do. Unlock that first finger. Now you don't have to stick it way up. I'm just exaggerating here. But unlock that first finger so that it's not pushed down anymore. And your life will get a lot easier. All right, everybody, have fun. If you're watching this on Facebook, make sure to follow this Play Nately page and like this video and share it with your friends. And if you're watching this on YouTube, then make sure to subscribe and click that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and then hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. All right, bye everybody.